So these are problems that over my years of experience that I've identified as key problems to why businesses don't succeed in selling their products and services online. Number one is convenience. Ironically, if you can look just a quick glimpse, I say convenience is a problem as well as a solution. So what does that mean? That means that if the more convenient Amazon makes it for you to actually purchase online, one click, boom, it comes to your house. It makes it easier for customers to order products and services, but it also simultaneously makes it hard for small mom and pop shops who are trying to survive in terms of competing with them because they don't have the infrastructure or the know-how to compete against the convenience of Amazon.